Hello, everyone. What is the GDP of Bangladesh? GDP means the total value of goods and services a country produces. Bangladesh has a nominal GDP of about 457.9 billion US dollars. This makes Bangladesh one of the larger economies in South Asia. Its economy supports a population of more than 170 million people. That is why GDP per person is much smaller than the total economy. Bangladesh has a GDP per person of about 2,600 US dollars. The main industries include clothing and textiles, agriculture, and manufacturing. Clothing exports are especially important and provide jobs for millions of people. Agriculture also supports many families and supplies food for the country. Bangladesh has grown strongly in recent decades, although growth can change because of inflation, energy costs, exports, and global demand. Its economy is still developing, with cities, factories, and services expanding quickly. Bangladesh is becoming more important in regional trade and global manufacturing. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.